Row, supine, supinated grip, bar and rack. The supine supinated grip row is a bodyweight exercise useful for building upper body pulling strength. The difficulty of the exercise is dictated by the height of the bar in the rack. Try to find a height that allows you to complete the specified number of repetitions at the given tempo with the full range of motion. If the bar is set low, you may need to place heavy weight plates on the floor to stop the feet from sliding forward. Grip the bar with the supinated grip, palms facing up. Walk the feet forward until you reach the desired body angle. Contract the glutes and lift the hips up to form a nice straight line from ankle to hip to shoulder. The arms must be straight and the shoulders are slightly protracted at the bottom of the rep. Initiate the row by retracting the shoulders and activating the muscles in your mid-back. Pull the shoulders down away from the ears and avoid shrugging them up during the repetitions. Try to think about pinching the shoulder blades together before flexing the elbows and pulling with the biceps. A full range of motion repetition requires the chest to touch the bar at the top. If you struggle to reach this height, you should increase the height of the bar in the rack to make the angle easier and allow you to get the chest to the bar. Control the eccentric motion and return to the straight arm position with the elbows locked and the shoulders slightly protracted. Notice the shape of the body does not change during the set. The goal is to maintain a nice tight body shape while performing strict upper body pulling.